This is problem 6 from the Leetcode 30-day challenge. Majority element. Given an array of size n, find the majority element. The majority element is the element that appears more than n by 2 times. So given an array, a majority element is the one which appears more than n by 2 times. So in this case, 3 appears more than n by 2 times. So here n is equal to 3. So n by 2 is 1. So we are taking the floor of n by 2. So that is 3 by 2 is 1. So 3 appears more than 1 times. So in this case, 1 is the majority element. In the second example, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements. So n is equal to 7 and n by 2 is 3. The floor of n by 2 is 3. So in this case, 2 appears 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 appears more than 3 times. So 2 is the majority element. One way to solve this problem is to use the hash map. We can use a hash map to store the values and the number of times it has occurred. And as we iterate, if we find the count of the number is more than n by 2, that means this is the majority number. In case if none of the number is more than n by 2, then we return -1. Also in the array there will be only one majority element. So this condition should be sufficient to check if it is the majority number. The time complexity of this is O of n, since we'll be going through all the numbers, and the space complexity is also O of n, since we are using an hash map to store the numbers. The time complexity of this is O of n, since we'll be going through all the numbers, and the space complexity is also O of n, since we are using an hash map to store the numbers.